Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the TopView AI to create product videos. Okay, we can create product videos from different kind of sources, maybe from the product itself or from a product link that we have. We can just paste in, and this AI tool is wonderfully going to create a video from that product. So let's start from the beginning, learning how to access TopView AI. You can just open your Google and you can just go ahead and search for TopView AI just like so and hit on enter. You brought in over here. You can see it down here. This is it, TopView.ai. You can just click on it. AI marketing videos that drive business success. Okay, so you can see you can create avatars of your product, different kind of product, and you can easily replace and have the avatar talk about your product, and it's available in multiple languages depending on location. So this is going to make marketing very interesting, because right now AI can handle different kind of products. You can see them, they can do promotions, product marketing, and you can generate videos with your own text as well to be able to have the avatar talk to people directly or to your customers directly. So it's very easy to kind of generate this, and we're going to look at the step-by-step process. Now you have to sign in with your username and password as well to join. So let's click on try product avatar for free, and then you'll be brought in over to the main platform where you can select from the available avatars, and then we can see how we can start something. So once you log in, this is where you'll be brought in. This is the main platform. Now you can generate marketing videos from links or materials that you have. If you have a list of materials, you can upload them as a file from here, or you can create the video directly from a URL, maybe from Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, eBay, or any of the so-called platforms. You can just copy the link of that product and just paste in here. Now then, here you have other AI creation tools that you can use as well to generate your video, avatar marketing video avatar, product any shoot, and photo avatar and so on. AI image generation, you have multiple of them. In case if you're interested in generating anything, you can go ahead and try. But for this tutorial, let's try product avatar and let's see what you can do with this kind of tool. Now, the first thing you need to notice here is there are 3 steps to generating or creating a product video. The first is you have to select an avatar and then upload a product image of your own that it is going to hold. And then you can just go ahead and follow these steps, okay? Replace it, and then you can go ahead and generate. And there are different kind of avatars from here, depending. These are keywords that you can use: vitamins and supplements, medications, fragrances, depending on what specifically you are targeting. Books, if you are after books, and then you have 3C digital products and beverages. You can see so many of them depending on what you're interested. If you have any of the settings that you think is going to go exactly with what you have, you can just go ahead and use that avatar, or you can design your own avatar also if you're interested, or you can filter accordingly. So let's say we pick in something very simple and very direct so that we can promote one of our products. So let's select the product first. So there are different products that I've selected. I've selected this, I've selected this, and I've selected this. But for this tutorial, let's try this Canon camera. So let's save it. We can go ahead and right click and save the image. I've just done that, so we can come back to our TopView AI, and then let's select a specific avatar that we are going to do this with. So let's say I like this guy. Once I select him, you can see the product that he has in front of him. You can replace the product by coming down here and clicking on replace. Now you can select which of the products that you have that you want to replace it with. Let's say I'm going to replace with this camera, and then I select. It's going to remove the background, and then it's going to add the camera as the product to this avatar. Now, as you can see, our product has just been uploaded. You have the option to resize it. If you want to resize and make it a bit bigger, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger from here. From the edges, you can just click to increase the sizes, and then you can rotate it to any angle of your choice. If you want to rotate, you can use the rotating button. And if you have everything in detail, so primarily you can adjust the product size, the position, as well as the angle to match the avatar's gesture, okay, according to what it is producing. And like this guy, because of the background, you can see camera is a very good product for him. So you can click to confirm the product position if you're done. And then you're going to give it some seconds to produce the perfect image that you can use for your avatar. Okay, and you can see we have the 3 main images of the avatar holding our product. It's now up to you to select the best one that you think can serve for your own purpose. For me, you can choose anyone, but let's go with something like this one, the center one, and you have the option to go with the light or pro mode. Okay, you can always regenerate the image. If this image avatar is not okay for you, you can regenerate that if you're interested. So for now, let's generate the video from this particular image. Alright, so the video has just been created. You can play to have a preview of what you have created.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
And that's fantastic. You can reanimate this if you want, but in my own case, I would rather use my own script to generate something simple. So you can go ahead and click on use my script. Alright, and then you'll be brought in here, so you can create your own avatar or you can select from the available ones. Let's go with the available one, the one that I've just created right now. So we can go ahead and put in our text here, or you can import an audio so it can help you to convert. And to do this, I have contacted ChatGPT as usual. I want you to generate a 50-word script for an AI avatar to promote my camera. And this is the script that ChatGPT has created for me. So I can just copy this script and go back to my avatar, and then I can just go ahead and paste this, and I can select the reader. Okay, we can select from the available readers. You can see so many of them. These are public voices. If you want to have custom voice or you want to clone your own voice, you can do that from here as well. So let's say I want to use this voice that we have, and then I can just go ahead and click on generate. And then I can specify the video. Okay, the file name, let's say this is camera review. And then the resolution you can specify, you can go up to 1080, and then the top view watermark I want to off it. Okay, so we can just go ahead and say export this, and this is now going to produce that video with a voiceover that talks about that specific product, which is the camera that it is holding. So let's give it some seconds to finish generating the video. Alright, and you can see over here my video is ready, so we can play to watch it. So let me click to watch.
Capture every moment with stunning clarity using our latest camera. Equipped with high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, and low-light performance, it's perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Lightweight and easy to use, it ensures breathtaking shots every time. Upgrade your photography game today with our cutting-edge camera.
So you can go ahead and download by just clicking on download, which I've just done, or you can copy the link if you want to copy the link directly and share with people. And then let's go back to the dashboard. The next thing I want to show you is how to generate a product marketing video from a link. So let's go back and select from any of the products. Let's say we have this product from Amazon. We'll copy the link and go back to top view, and we can just go ahead and paste in here. And let's create a video out of this. So let's give it some seconds while it is still analyzing the link. So let's see what kind of details it's going to bring as regards what is in there. Now, as you can see, it has just finished analyzing the link, and these are the products or the media that it's able to bring out. There are so many of them. You can select what you want and what you don't want included. You can have a closer look and include or exclude whatever you want. Now, once you're okay with everything, you can just go ahead and click on continue, and then you can give it some seconds to finish up what it's going to generate. Now, when you look down here, you have the option to upload more files, or you can go with AI creations, or you can import from assets that you have available maybe within your system or thereabout. Now look at the product name that it has picked from the link, and then these are the prop details for the script that is going to use for your video. You can use your own script in case if you are interested. And then down here you have the option to select the video aspect ratio. You can change the size, the language. You can see you can select from the available languages as well as the script language and the avatar that you want to use. So you can click on this time to select which avatar you want to use to create that video. Let's go with the same guy. If you want to use someone different, you can use someone different. So you can select anybody. So let's go with this, and let's say confirm this. And now you're good to go. If you want to check more options, you can click on this, but I rather keep everything at default from here. Okay. If you want to add some more, maybe product logo and end card, you can add all of them from here. Or if you have a watermark, you can add, or target audience, you can define, maybe choose your particular style. There are different styles, but I like to keep everything at default. You want to use your own style prompt, you can put in there to have it defined. So when you have everything defined, you can just go ahead and click on generate, and let's look at the endpoint of what this is going to create for us. Now you can see it has just given us the script of what we need. For example, this is introduction, this is attention grabbing opening, plus setting the expectation, plus solution using reveal type hooks. Okay, this is going to be the hook at the introductory level, and then this is going to be revealing industry secrets, setting expectations and solutions. You have the option to adjust anything if you want here, and you can duplicate and resize things if you want to do that, and you can preview directly from here what to expect from here, and you can export any section or make edits if you want to make edits to what it has from here. So you can see so many of the details of the script that it has generated, pain points plus harms and solutions with emojis. We can see them, and you can load more scripts if you want to see everything from here. Now, if everything is according to your plan, so you can just go ahead and come over here and say export to see the plan and generate the export of the video that you're just going to create. So let's go ahead and say without watermark. Alright, so my video is ready. You can just go ahead and click on play.
Water bottle companies hate this one simple trick. Hey besties, spill the tea or water. I'm obsessed with my new Cootie water bottle. Clumsy queens, listen up. Silicone sleeve for the win. No more embarrassing. Clink in quiet meetings. Hashtag blessed. 27 hours cold. I'm not kidding. That's a whole vibe. My iced coffee stays icy all day, even in this heat. The handle is a game changer. No more hand cramps. Walkies with my pup. This bottle's got my back and wrist. This color, this finish. It's
So you can
giving
download
aesthetic
the
and it
video
won't
if you
fade.
want by just clicking on download. And you can see right now it has been downloaded. So please just go on, explore. You can work with me. You can just try on your own and go to TopView AI to create your product marketing videos. It's very easy and you can start for free. So this concludes this simple tutorial about how to use TopView AI to generate your product marketing videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.